From time to time they pull up an old boat out of the water and they have to dispose of it, and they set it here in the parking lot, and then they come get it and pick it up with a front end loader. Not a front end loader, a little small ditch digger. Pretty neat. Man, it smells too. It smells like fish. And of course the boats that they pull up have been in the water for several months or years, so they're covered with barnacles and seaweed and everything. This guy's pretty good at breaking this stuff down with that little ditch digger. Be interesting to see how he gets that off. Boom, just pulls it right off. Not much going on in the marina. Sun just coming up. All the boats are resting quietly on smooth as glass water. Interesting, except for the one little thing that's going on there with the old boat.